Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Airdrop World. Friends, new project persistent quantity project. So here is the project detail for protocol powering next generation financial products. So here is the detail of the project building an ecosystem of financial products to serve institutional and crypto native users. So here are the details so you can check it here. Persistent is building an ecosystem of financial products. So Comdex decentralized commodities trading, audit dot fund staking as a service. We can stake here coins and earn profit. And p stake liquid staking or assets, mental NFT marketplace framework, or p land debit financing. Here what is our focus? Decentralized finance DeFi projects. It means so DeFi projects, what are DeFi projects? Enables users to interact with both traditional and digital assets in an open and global context. So जो NFT projects are the non-fungible tokens, making real world and digital assets such as invoices, collectibles and art more accessible. So here backed by these persons, these companies. Here is the big companies. There are 8 AU21 Capital, Interchain, Terra, Alameda Research, XRP Capital, so Woodstock, Encrypt. Here are the venture and fund foundations, companies that provide fund in this project. So validators, if we can check validators, we can check it. Ascent Exchange, Hobby Pool, Dokia Capital, Cosmos Station, Band Protocol. Here are the big companies that are investing in this project. So here is the native token of persistence project is XPRT, that is already listed on Ascent Exchange. So we can trade on Ascent Exchange. So as we can check that about the details. So Ascent Exchange, here is the link of Ascent Exchange. We can check it. XPRT coin. The price of one XPRT coin is $10. It means that one XPRT is equal to $10.2. So here is an wallet. Persistence is XPRT has its own exchange, Persistence Exchange, and its own wallet. Here we can stake. Here is the link of wallet, Persistence wallet. We can stake coins and earn profit. Here, so send and receive. We can easily send and receive tokens from here. Receive tokens, transaction. We can see the transactions. Here the price, current price of the XPRT, total amount XPRT, vesting transferable, delegate. So if we can check that staking point, to staking we can check that smart staking, my container. So here are the details where we can stake our coins and earn profit. 7%, 10%. Just select the coin in which you are want to stake and click on action. So your staking will start, and so you can earn profit. So if we check that about social media, persistent on social media platform. So here is the Twitter link. We can check it on Twitter. Persistence, validators, Cosmos. Here the details of Persistence Exchange. They are tweeting day by day with their new launching, new technology, new innovations in their projects that are working on it. So here is the owner of the project. You can check that founder of Persistence, Tushar Kumar Agarwal. Here is the Persistence owner, founder of Persistence One XPRT coin. So we can check about the, here is the white paper of the project. We can check out all the details about this project, white paper. The main aim of this project is Persistence provide a platform to power debit marketplaces that match entities with surplus capital lenders to entities that require capitals. It means that a platform which provides which interacts or which provides services to lenders to borrowers or borrowers to lenders. Both these parties. So here is the tokenomics, asset tokenization. So asset tokenization means that it's a tokenizing real world assets as a invoices, letters of credit cards. This is a traditional way, but a non-fungible NFT is the modern way where we can easily use it anywhere at any place. So any NFT is a very new technology. So here is the product. So what is the product aim as a SDK? Persistence chain, a network of Sorovian business app chain with Sorovian security by persistent main chain and set of validators. It means that Sorovian has different chains, interact with different chains. It means that if we can check about the detail, that Sorovian is a persistence is a network of Sorovian chains hosted open finance exchanges marketplaces which facilitate matching of entities with surplus capitals to entities. Surplus capital means that lenders, or require capital means that borrowers. They matches the borrowers to lenders and lenders to borrowers. So here is the main aim. Persistence chain is persistent chain is interoperable with other chains via the interchain communication protocols. Here is the best thing about this project, that there are different, they provide facilities to other exchanges to make a strong and secure platform or a secure network. So it is very difficult to break this network. There are different coins that are interconnected with each other with persistence, or to make a very big project or project or network. So this is the best quality of this project. The persistence main chain will be interoperable with other chains via the interchain communication networks protocol. So security very good. Governance. So NFT so here are all the details. Persistent SDK. So persistence value add. So settlements, bringing case Comdex. These are all details that are provided in the white paper. We can read all these details through white paper. So also best project, I think, because there are many big investors about this is behind this project. Band protocol. So Ascend exchange is a very big exchange. Hashquack, Hobby is a very big exchange. Hobby Pool. So this is the best. This is the thing about the project that impacts on the price of the coin. That's why XPRT is rocketing. His price is growing day by day. So must join this project and buy XPRT coins. So thank you so much for watching my video.